because Macau car can now go to north from via the ZhuHai, Hong Kong and Macau bridge. You can see now I am going to repair my car and clean the carbon, also the cylinder, so that changed a lot, you know, ignition coil, spark plug, and valve cover to aluminum, and also clean all the injectors, fuel injectors and something. And you can see this the friction tensioner had some problems, so I fixed it. You can see no moving for the water pump wheel. This is my BMW. You can also see.
The water pump is disengaged and only operates when the friction wheel is activated under warm engine conditions. The friction wheel is in
turbo intake tube leak, so changed. And now you can see the wheel, the water pump wheel is moving, and the friction tensioner is great. And now I can go to ZhuHai and have license. So great, let's treat I go ZhuHai.